I'm back with week 3. Last time we did the food, and the time before that we did a 3-minute kit and also water storage. Today we're going to talk about how to prepare your clothing. And here it is on this list, 72-hour emergency kit checklist. Winter gloves or mittens, winter hat, lightweight jacket or coat, thermal underwear, pair of socks, sturdy gloves, and then summer hat, bandana, rain poncho, change of underwear, clothing, and shoes. So basically what I have done in the past is I've decided if I put everything into my bag at once, then first of all, it's not practical, and second of all, my bag will be too full. So what I've ended up doing is splitting it into 2 bags. There's a winter bag, and I have it labeled winter, and then I have a summer bag as well. And I'll just show you what's in my summer bag first off. I have a rain poncho, a bandana, I've got some sunglasses, let's see, a tie for my hair, sunscreen, a bunch of hats for all of my family members, and last but not least, I've got some little fans to keep myself cool. And so that is my summer bag, and if it's summertime, I'll grab that. But if it's winter, I'll grab my winter bag. And basically I just have my long johns and thermal underclothing, along with some wool socks, of course some regular socks, and an extra pair of underwear in there. And then back to my get out of Dodge bag, which we will talk about next week. Last week we put in there the food, and this week all I put in this bag is some really basic stuff. I have 1 pair of pants, 1 shirt, 1 pair of shorts, and somewhere around there I should have a change of underwear and socks in a Ziploc bag so that they don't get wet. And you can see I have them in some kind of bag so that that won't get wet. And that's it for week 3.